Well, Selvin, you've done it again. This time, it's a beauty. I see what you got here, Bubba. That AC unit when you first walk in. Nice and shiny. Well, brother, I say you getting pretty darn good. It's like we got a happy customer here. I can dig it, I can dig it. Got the oven, a little burner, flat grill, 3 fryers, salad bar, a little storage area down there, a little ice bin underneath, countertop, serving window, a little shelves, security cam, ready to roll. About to get the POS system hooked up and ready to roll. See, these are the kind of customers I like. A man with a plan. You know exactly what you want to do and how you want to do it. And all I have to do is build it. I can dig it. Well, sauerkraut truck. Best wishes to you. God bless. And I see you when I see you. Peace out.